Pacific One News, the news web leader, your exposure to the world.
Supreme Court grants bail to Manish Sisodia in Delhi excise policy case. Supreme Court has reserved its order on Sisodia's bail plea. Sisodia was arrested by the CBI in February 2023. Supreme Court directed the Aam Aadmi Party leader to surrender his passport. Sisodia will come out of the Tihar jail after spending 17 months. Big news coming from Delhi. The Supreme Court today granted bail to former Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia in cases related to the Delhi excise policy case. The court granted regular bail to Sisodia in cases probed by the Central Bureau of Investigation and Enforcement Directorate in connection to the now scrapped excise policy. Sisodia will walk out of jail after 17 months. A bench of Justices B.R. Gavai and K.V. Vishwanathan directed Sisodia to furnish a bail bond of 10 lakh rupees with two sureties, surrender his passport and report twice a week on Monday and Thursday before the investigating office. This was the third time when Sisodia had approached the top court for bail. Last year on October 30, the top court refused to grant him bail but kept a window open by allowing him to revive his bail plea if the trial fails to conclude in the 6 to 8 months or proceeds at a snail's pace. As the trial failed to begin in 6 months, Sisodia sought bail on the grounds of delay. But the Delhi High Court rejected his plea on May 21. He approached the top court in June when ED told a vacation bench that it would be filing its complaint or charge sheet by July 3. Recording this submission, the court refused to go into the merits of the petition. Last month, Sisodia then filed his third plea for bail, taking a second shot against the High Court order of May 21.
जबरदस्ती हमारे नेताओं को पकड़ पकड़ के जेल में रखा गया। मनीष सिसोदिया जी को 17 महीने तक जेल में रखा गया। क्या भारत के प्रधानमंत्री उनके जीवन के इन 17 महीनों का हिसाब देंगे? क्या भारतीय जनता पार्टी उनके इन जीवन के 17 महीनों का हिसाब देगी, जो शायद दिल्ली के स्कूलों को बनाने में काम आता, बच्चों को अच्छी शिक्षा देने में काम आता? जिंदगी के वो 17 महीने आपने जेल में डालकर बर्बाद किए मनीष सिसोदिया के। माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय का हृदय से आभार है, सर झुका के नमन है कि लंबे इंतजार के बाद न्याय मिला, एक फैसला आम आदमी पार्टी के पक्ष में, मनीष सिसोदिया जी के पक्ष में, और एक एक कार्यकर्ता इस फैसले से उत्साहित है। एक एक देशवासी, दिल्ली का नागरिक इस फैसले से खुश है और सब ये मानते थे कि हमारे नेताओं के साथ जोर जबरदस्ती और जाति हुई है।
Pacific One News, the news web leader, your exposure to the world.